So, you're a freelancer. You're the CEO, the creative director, and yeah, probably the one who makes the coffee. But are you also the captain of your own financial ship while secretly drilling holes in the hull? Chances are, you're burning through cash without even realizing it, making some super common, and very costly, mistakes. In this video, we're going to walk through the 20 financial traps that almost every freelancer falls into. More importantly, I'll give you a simple, step-by-step guide on how to fix them, starting today. By the end of this, you'll have a clear plan to plug those money leaks and actually start building some real wealth. Section 1, Foundational Flaws. Mistake number 1, flying blind without tracking. Alright, the first and honestly the biggest mistake is just not knowing where your money is going. If you can't see the cash coming in and going out, it's like trying to drive a car at night with the headlights off. You have zero control, you can't see the road ahead, and you could be heading straight for a cliff. This isn't just a bad habit, it's a direct flight to financial anxiety. The fix: start tracking every single business expense. Today. Use something like Wave, which has a fantastic free version, or budgeting apps like Inab or PocketGuard. Just connect your business accounts and turn the headlights on. Seriously, this is non-negotiable. Mistake number 2, mixing business and personal funds. When your client payments land in the same account you use for groceries and Netflix, you're essentially trying to cook a steak and bake a cake in the same pan. Everything gets mixed together, the result is a mess, and it becomes impossible to see how your business is actually doing. This turns tax time into an absolute nightmare. A recent survey showed that only 22% of freelancers use a dedicated business card, which is just asking for chaos. The fix: open a separate business bank account. Get a business debit or credit card. From now on, all business income goes into that account, and all business expenses come out of it. This one simple move is the foundation of getting your freelance finances organized. Mistake number 3, operating without a budget. Freelance income goes up and down, which makes budgeting feel impossible, so most people just don't. This is like trying to sail a ship across the ocean without a rudder. You're just pushed around by the currents of your best and worst months, leading to panic when those inevitable slow periods hit. Without a budget, you don't have a plan. You're just reacting. The fix: build your budget based on your lowest earning months, not your best ones. Figure out the absolute bare minimum you need to cover your bills. That number becomes your core financial goal. Any money you make on top of that can then be smartly put towards savings, taxes, and other goals. Mistake number 4, treating savings as an afterthought. Most people try to save whatever is left over at the end of the month. For freelancers, that often means zero. This is like building a house and hoping you have some concrete left over for the foundation. It doesn't work. If you wait to save, you're guaranteeing you won't save. Financial stability is all about prioritizing your future self. The fix: treat savings like your most important bill. The second a client payment hits your account, before you pay anyone else, transfer a set percentage to your savings. You have to pour the foundation first. This is called paying yourself first, and it's a total game changer. Mistake number 5, not automating your finances. Relying on your own memory and willpower to move money around is like planning to water a giant garden every day with a tiny watering can. You'll get busy, you'll forget, and your financial goals will wither. Doing it all manually just creates opportunities to fail. The fix: automate everything. Set up automatic transfers from your business account to separate savings accounts for taxes, your emergency fund, and retirement. Think of it as installing a sprinkler system for your finances. It works on schedule, even when you're not thinking about it. Section 2, business leaks. Mistake number 6, paying for unused subscriptions. You know that software you signed up for to use on one project 6 months ago? Yep, it's still charging your card. These recurring subscription leaks are like a slow drip from a faucet. One drop doesn't seem like much, but over a year, it can add up to a swimming pool of wasted money. The fix: do a subscription audit every 3 months. Go through your bank statements, line by line. For every recurring charge, ask yourself, is this tool actively making me money or saving me a ton of time right now? If the answer is no, cancel it immediately. Mistake number 7, ignoring free and freemium tools. So many freelancers immediately reach for the most expensive, premium software. This is like buying a brand new Ferrari just to drive to the grocery store once a week, when a perfectly good bicycle is sitting in your garage. Paying for a top-tier tool when a free alternative would work just fine is literally setting cash on fire. The fix: actively look for the free versions first. Google Workspace, Wave for accounting, MailChimp for smaller email lists, and Canva for design all have incredibly powerful free plans. Always start free and only upgrade when you have a clear, money-making reason to do so. Mistake number 8, never negotiating with vendors. Whether it's your web hosting, your cell phone plan, or a software subscription, you just accept the price they show you. You wouldn't let a client set your rates without a discussion, so why would you let a vendor? You are a business, and smart businesses negotiate to protect their profits. The fix: get in the habit of asking for a better deal. When a contract is about to renew, call them up. Ask if they have any loyalty discounts or better plans available. The worst thing they can do is say no, but a quick 10-minute phone call could easily save you hundreds of dollars a year. Mistake number 9, overlooking bartering opportunities. You need a new logo, and your designer friend needs some help with their website copy. Instead of you both paying each other, you could be trading services. Think of cash as just one tool in your financial toolbox. Bartering is like a secret multi-tool that lets you get things done without ever having to open your wallet. The fix: look for opportunities in your network to trade your skills. If you need something done, think about who you know that might need your help in return. Propose a skill swap. It protects your cash flow and builds stronger connections at the same time. Mistake number 10, undercharging for your services. This might be the most damaging mistake of all, not charging what you're actually worth. Undercharging is like putting a 50% off sticker on a custom-made, high-end piece of furniture. It instantly signals that it's not valuable and attracts bargain hunters, not clients who respect your expertise. The fix: do your homework. Research what other freelancers with your skills and experience are charging. When you decide to raise your rates, give your current clients a friendly heads up well in advance. For new clients, start with that higher rate immediately. You're a specialist, not a commodity. Price yourself like one. So there you have it, the 10 most common money mistakes that are holding freelancers back. If you're wondering, wait, what about the rest? Don't worry. Mistakes 11 to 20 are covered in part 2, available right now on the channel. Go check it out after this. The key lesson in all of this? It's about being intentional. Shifting from a chaotic, reactive mindset to a proactive, organized one. You stop being a leaky bucket and start building a financial fortress. You stop drifting in the current and start steering your own ship. You take back control, one smart decision at a time. If this guide gave you even one thing you can take action on today, do me a favor. Hit that like button. Subscribe for more no-nonsense financial strategies made just for freelancers.